up? My name is Dean Sears, NASM certified personal trainer, fitness nutrition specialist. I am the sponsor nutrition and fitness coach for the Hunnies cheerleaders team this year, and I'm about to whip their butts today. Down and up, straight up, okay? Don't be leaning forward and keep it this way. And if you get tired, of course, you can step it back, bring it back up, and no jump, all right? And then the other 6 start on the burpees.
Yep.
Okay?
Transition that way.
So whoever starts on burpees, your push-up's gonna be your last one. Everybody good with that?
And you said we have to run that way after every rep?
Yeah, everybody's gonna start right here. We'll start right here. You use Cam's car. I saw him pull up. That's why I know it's his car. So this is your guys' start line right here. You come back here after every set. All right? You do your 21 push-ups. You come back here. You run your 21 jump squats. You come back here. Burpees. You come back every time. You can stop and take a break whenever you need to. All right? Right now I'm just out in their nutrition and fitness rep sponsor, trying to get these girls in shape, ready for the season, and not just feel like, you know, gotta have a shake. You know, they're athletes too. You can give them a 30-minute cap, see how far they get. All right, ladies, you ready? Let's set and go. Remember, 21 is the first one. 21.
You're like my mama's little devilish child.
I'm talking about. Come on. Run it back, run it back. Good job. Looking good, looking good, looking good. So it's on a night like tonight. Come on, yeah, run it back, run it back. Take it back, now those burpees. Go, go, go. Count, because I'm not.
4.
You on your 12 sets?
Yeah. Squats, yeah.
Come on. Keep it up. Come on, come on. Keep it up, keep it up. Come on.
Yeah, I went last night. Never like, how was it, Shane? That was a girl. Come here, Shane. I feel bad about going. Yeah, not good for my
Come on.
Making a
Round 2.
Is this the ab? What's that now?
Abs? Did we do abs?
Huh?
We were going to at that one thing, but I was too dead after
Yeah, it's
this.
only been
Yeah.
25 minutes.
Only been 25?
Oh my god. We got time
I set
for
that timer.
abs.
I set a timer for 30 minutes. You guys did pretty well. You guys
Can we
did-
do abs inside those?
Yeah, we can go
Not
inside.
fine.
Exactly.
I was running and trying to get in.
So
Everybody's
I don't do crunches. I don't do sit-ups. You know, sit-ups. You know, they've realized that that's not really good for a lot of people's low back. So we don't do that stuff. I do core and strengthening core, right? So planks, all kinds of stuff, right? Feet up if you can. If not, heels down. But I want you to tap that ground. You know, each time we're gonna do it for 30 seconds. No stopping, all right? Speed on. Go to your pace. Brett. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. Everybody do it down. Alright. Flutter kicks. Flutter kicks. Go like this. 30 kicks. 2, 1. Into these planks. Mountain climbers. Everybody got those, right? Down. Over here. Hands under your shoulders. Alright. Tap. And tap. Okay? You want to get going, you can. It's not this. Don't do this. Okay? 1 foot at a time. 30 seconds. Bring the in as far as you can. Alright? You guys ready? Set. Go.
Try to put it on me, black and bluish. You wanna play with a player girl and play on.
5. Get those on. I don't know any of you guys from anything, and you guys push really hard, especially out there.
I done it myself. Forgot about
You done it yourself? Good. And then you push, right? You did it. Good job.
I heard
Keep everything tight. Some people forget to squeeze those abs in any of those positions, and they let the hips drop. You know, you gotta focus on that.
The team, everybody. I'm super excited. This is going to be an awesome season. It's going to be a lot of hard work. He is going to get everybody in shape because there is no excuses this year, not even for me. So we want to go to All Pro and show out. So that's kind of the goal. So congratulations, and we're going to go right over the contracts and everything moving forward and start with the 32 cadences and 2 half times. One of which everybody learned at auditions, most everybody learned at auditions, and then the other one is brand new, except for the ones that went to All Pro. So, we're moving right along. Oh, these are the shoes, by the way. Some people have seen them, some haven't. Super lightweight. Those of us that have been on teams before that tried to do pastries, they're cute, but they are heavy, and it hurts. These things are like literally lightweight. Nothing. Our feet don't hurt. They're padded. So I've got some team gifts. Tiana, these are our earrings, lipstick, and you have 2 shirts and a makeup bag. All right. Pins. All right, so we're gonna go over this first, and then I'm gonna have everybody sign. So if you wanna take one and pass it around, and same thing with the folder, take one and pass it around. All right, so we'll go over, let me skip past the calendar. Let's go right into the contract portion of it first before we get into any of the little other stuff.